first step to creating your Google blog is to visit blogger.com. That's BLOGGER.com. And when you navigate to blogger.com, you will see that you are being asked to sign in. So you have two choices here. One is you can sign in using an existing Gmail or Google account that you already have. So if you use Gmail or you have a Google account of any kind, you can simply sign in here. If you have an existing Google and you choose to sign in, then your next step will be to click New Blog. Once you click New Blog, you will give your blog a title and an address. So for example, your blog title might be something such as CIS 110 blog. For the address, this is the actual web address of your blog, and it's always going to end with .blogspot.com. So if I try to give it the web address of CIS 110, you can see that it's going to autofill the .blogspot.com for me. And when I choose it, it checks the availability of the address that I'm trying to give it, and in this case, this blog address is not available. So I have to go back and maybe modify it or change it to find a web address that is available. So you can see that when I add my initials to my blog, this address actually is available. So I can choose the template that I prefer and click Create Blog. If you get this page, it just means that there are too many people from the same IP address range or the same place trying to create a blog at the same time. And after waiting for a few minutes and creating again, I was able to create my blog. Now, once your blog is created, you're never going to click New Blog again. After your blog is created, you can get back to it by going to blogger.com, signing in to your Google account, and you will see your blog listed. To give me the blog address that I need, you can click View Blog. And then as you can see here, the name of this blog or the web address of this blog is lnoglecis110.blogspot.com. So this URL or web address is what you need to copy and paste and submit to me. If you do not have a Google account of any kind or you don't want to use your personal Google account, when you go to the blogger.com sign-in page, you will need to click Create an Account. Once you click Create an Account, you will fill in your first and last name, and you can either choose your username, which will be at whatever you choose at gmail.com, or you can click I prefer to use my current email address and type in your current email address. After you do that, you need to create and confirm your password, birthday, gender, and do the spam verification. You'll also need to click on and agree to the Google Terms of Service. In the next step, you'll be able to follow the previous directions for clicking New Blog and creating your blog. Please remember that if you're creating a new account, that you might want to jot down somewhere with your CIS 110 materials which email address you used or created, and a hint to help you remember the password.